this another video. Today, playing Dead Trigger 2 stuff. I'm on level 2. We'll be on level 3. That's who I stopped playing besides level 3. I mean, level 2. I didn't even make it past level 2, but I am close. I Jacksepticeye played Dying Light the following. That was cool. Auto shotgun. If you don't know what auto shotgun is from, it's from Left 4 Dead 2. I think it's on Left 4 Dead 1 and 2. I don't really know, but if it is, just comments down below. And here we go. No. Get into here. Move this up here. Let's do this. Now, I don't think that is a thing in it, but I know you're on a helicopter in one.
Killing time.
Working on a car?
Oh, I got
Gosh. Awesome.
I've got you.
This game, when I played it, guys, it was really fun. I love the first one, how the guy turned into a zombie when he needed water. That first one was amazing. One of those again. Seriously, the freaking special infected. I'm just calling for again. Close dying. I can't die now.
I'll take that. Free refill.
I'm 4% guys. Did not lose. Well, that was that. I was gonna say I was gonna play a couple, but wow, that was really cool. I almost died there.
Okay. Okay.
I'm a level 8 and have to. I'm not using my rubies.
Okay, so here's what's going on.
Whoa.
This guy just invaded me, and he's not prepared for it at all. He should have scouted me. Instead, he doesn't have anywhere near enough troops, and his army composition is garbage. So, I'm going to crush him. And then once I do crush him, I'm going to capture his hero. So, once I get his hero, I can either ransom him back or execute him for a buff for my own army.
Wow. Sorry guys, about the ad. That guy's still chilling? Alright.
Yes.
Oh. I'm putting this one on easy. Look, that's zombie's arm. When this video uploads, guys, it will be called
Killing time.
the first day of my most wonderful game ever. It will be easy, guys. Dumb zombies. Get back! Dumb zombies. So what am I doing? So I can kill him. Going to die.
Might come in handy.
Okay, guys, I'm going to die. Whoa. That did not give me no money. Don't come up on that on my screen. So annoying. Oh guys, that is enough for this video. I know it was just a couple. I'm sorry guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.